I was causing serious thing like this. I still to believe from my sleep I read. Hey guys, welcome to my official YouTube channel. I'm doing a little late morning routine. I bought the products from, okay, see, they have their WhatsApp, their Instagram page. It's chidivine_cosmetics, and I'm going to give you guys a little story of what happened to me one time. I went out to get dinner. I got this. Yeah, I showed you where I got it from. So like, it's a face mask. There's some few dark spots on my face that I'm trying to get rid of. I'll just pour the liquid on my face. Maybe that works. Back to my story. I went to get village rice and some beef. From there, I went to the supermarket, just get like few stuff that I could eat in the morning. And then I bought the stuff and I came back home. Only for me to open this food and it was beans. And I stormed back to the restaurant and I was causing a scene. Like, I ordered rice, so how come I'm I'm getting beans? The restaurant manager was there, and then it was just like, he was asking me, because when they gave me the food, the bag with which they put my food was different from the one that they initially used to pack takeout, and the spoon too is different. And they were asking me, like, are you sure this is the place that you got the rest? I'm like, are you trying to call me a liar? I was causing serious thing like this, and the manager just said, please just give her order. And then I got my rice. I just stormed out of the restaurant. When I was coming back, I passed the supermarket. I went to buy the stuff, and I'm like, I think I mixed up my food at the supermarket and not the restaurant. They didn't make the mistake. I was the one that made the mistake. I just went there to cause a scene for nothing. A good point, but I'm sorry. I take full responsibility for my action. I am so sorry. They said I should let the liquid sit on my face for 15 to 20 minutes. The next thing I'm going to try now is this face serum. On the sun, without the sun, still gorgeous as always. The next, I'm gonna try this moisturizing cream. But since I'm not going out, I'm not going to use it. But like, I'm just showing the procedure. Like, I usually add this one, but maybe I might go out and like a teeny bit on my face. I just love to be silky and shiny. I am that type of girl that if there's a lip gloss on my lip, I'm still going to apply more. I love my lips looking greasy. So that's basically it. Let me show you a close-up view. Bye.
Can I take a video of you guys?
It's exactly 1:33 p.m. and it's Wednesday, and I have a virtual interview for the role of a real estate intern. When I got the email that I had virtual interview for the role, they said for the position is a social media manager, but I'm confused. I applied to be an intern for real estate. I'm really counting on this job. Like, I've been applying for so long, but like for the past a week now, well, not so long. Pray for me. I just hope I get the job. But like, I know I'll get the job. I changed my glasses. I like this one a little bit better.